Welcome to Insights in a Minute with me, Robin Morley from Similarweb. What's the most you've ever paid for a piece of software? Well, whatever that figure is, we bet Adobe topped it last week when they dropped a stunning $20 billion on design collaboration platform Figma. It's Adobe's biggest acquisition ever, and the price tag represents a big jump versus Figma's last valuation of $10 billion in June 2021. So why did Adobe fork out the big cash? Well, Figma grew more than 200% year over year back in September 2020, when the pandemic sent companies scrabbling for ways to design and collaborate remotely. And while traffic growth hasn't been quite so frenetic over the past year, in August it was up nearly 45% year on year to more than 58 million visits. Figma offers a free starter plan for students and educators, and this helps build a strong community of users around the platform. The community segment of their website alone is hitting 3 million monthly visitors and growing. So altogether, Adobe is betting they'd rather have Figma as a business unit than a hungry rival. Well, that's it for now. Join me next time for more Insights in a Minute.